Exercise 4.3, question number 1, second part. Construct quadrilateral PLAN plan, where you have given PL 4 cm, LA 6.5 cm, angle P 90 degree, angle A 110 degree, angle N 85 degree. First of all, we'll draw a rough figure which will help us to decide the steps of construction. So P L A N. PL 4 centimeter, LA 6.5 centimeter, angle P 90 degree, angle A 110 degree, and angle N 85 degree. Clear? So students, here one angle, one side, and I don't know this angle. For proper construction, I should know the two angles and including sides. And here again, it's one angle, one side, but I don't know this angle. So if I'll find angle L, then I can easily construct quadrilateral. You all know what? The sum of the four angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. So here we will use the property sum of the angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Angle P plus angle L plus angle A plus angle N is equal to 360 degree. P you have given 90 degree, L you don't know, A 110 degree, and N 85 degree. So in this way you can find angle L, which is equal to 360 degree minus 285 degree, and that is equal to 75 degree. Now I know angle L, it's 75 degree. Now I know angle P, I know angle L, two angles and including side. Now I can easily draw quadrilateral PLAN. So first of all, what I'll construct? Draw PL 4 centimeter. 0, mark 4, PL 4 centimeter. And this angle L is 75 degree, P is 90 degree. So now at P we will draw 90 degree angle. You know how to draw 90 degree angle. You have learnt it in your 6th and 7th class. $60 degree, 120 degree, and 90 degree angle between 60 and 120. So it's your 90 degree angle. Draw ray PX, because I don't know this length, so I'll give it name X. So this angle I can give it capital X. XPL is 90 degree. Now angle L 75 degree. So to draw the 75 degree angle, first of all, I have to draw 90 degree angle. You have to draw, students, it only with compass, not using protractor. So 90 degree angle, but I don't need here 90 degree angle. So I'll put it dotted line. Now 75 degree lies between 90 and 60. So at 60 degree angle, put the needle of compass, draw an arc. Then again at 90 degree here, 90 degree angle down the main arc, put this as the center, draw an arc. They are not intersecting. Again I'll put here at 60 degree. Now they intersect. and draw the ray. You can name it Y, and this angle YLP is of 75 degree, between 60 and 90. You draw 75 degree angle, and now you know point A is 6.5 meter away from L. So I have already drawn here 6.5. It's 6.5. So with L as the center and radius 5 centimeter, draw an arc which cut the ray LY at point A. Clear? This is your point A. Here again A is 110 degree, but 110 you can't draw with the compass, so I'll use here protractor. See this one mark, this mark, I'll put it on the point A, this mark, and this line on the ray AL. It should coincide. This mark on point A and line on ray, and 110 degree. 110 is a obtuse angle, so you will not read the inner scale but outer, because it is 110 degree here. Obtuse angle, we will obtain obtuse angle. So draw ray AZ. Where ray AZ and PX intersect, name that point N. It was ray, name that point N. Now PLAN is your required quadrilateral. Angle P was your 90 degree, it was 75 degree, 110 degree, PL 4 centimeter, LA 6.5 centimeter. This is your required quadrilateral. Again, students, quadrilateral plan, here you don't know two angle and including side. You have one angle and one side. So get this angle, what you did, you used angle sum property and find angle L. Now you know angle P and angle L. Then draw PL 4 centimeter. First step, make angle XPL. Second step, first step was draw PL 4 centimeter. Second step, make angle XPL 90 degree. Third step, make angle YLP 75 degree. Clear? Then fourth step, make angle ZAL 110 degree. Fifth step, where ray YL and XP intersect, name that point N. And sixth step, PLAN is your required quadrilateral.